Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple card with HTML and CSS like this one that is showing right here on my screen. So before we proceed, I want to first tell you that you guys should please endeavor to subscribe or follow me on whichever platform you are watching this video on. So it will help me to continue to post more content and encourage me to post more content and for you guys to enjoy. So let's get right into it. So this is the HTML, and let me open the CSS also. So I'm going to remove this and the HTML also. Now, so first things first, create the boilerplate. Then as that, let me name this card, the title will be card. So from there, just come here. I'm also going to need to add a icon to it. So before that, let me go to CDNGS to get font awesome icon. Okay, before that, let me just go there. Okay, CDNGS. So that's loading. While that is loading, I'll click here. So while it's loading, the next thing to do is create a div called card. So from there, I will add image and image. So the image will be called images/model. So let's see what we have currently. Okay, live server is loaded already. Let me refresh this. Okay, we have our image now. So the next thing, to link the CSS. So link CSS. So this will be css/style.css. Then from there, just continue. So we're going to add the h1 tag, h1, and say, let me say Timmy Online, name of my YouTube channel. So next thing, to create a p tag, that's like the title of what I do. Maybe title. So let me say see you and founder. So from there, under p tag, just say Timmy Online. So now let's see what we have on the screen. Okay, we have this now. So also we need to add the icons that we saw the other time. So to do that, first come here, let me search for font awesome CDN awesome. Okay, I remember talking about CDN in my last video. I don't know, you can watch it, you can check my channel out. So I've copied the CDN, then come here and paste the link of the CDN right here. So let me remove this, it's too long. So yeah, that's that. Then next thing to do is to add the icons that we need. Let's just say 3 icons are enough. Let me open font awesome. So click here, then let this load. So let me just search straight up. So let me just add the Facebook logo from the icon. You can get different type of icon, TikTok, Facebook, whatever that you need. So I'm just going to add Facebook. Okay. Let me add GitHub also and Twitter. And the last one, let me just add LinkedIn. So let's see what we have now. Okay, we have the 3 icons already. Now the next step is to put a contact button. So This will be in a p tag. Let's say contact, like you want to contact me. So that's that. Then I think we are done for the HTML part of this. So this is basically what we have now. Okay, now the next step is to go to the CSS. So to do that, come to CSS, start the CSS. Then you open first thing to remove the browser's styling. To do that, I say margin and padding should be 0. Padding also 0. So the next step is to give the body a color. So background color should be chocolate. So let's see what we have. Okay, now the next thing is to style the card. So card and say max width should be 300 pixel. Margin also, margin auto, text align center. So you can see that centralize everything. Then the next thing is margin top of 20 pixel, a background color of white, and border radius of 10 pixel. So let's see what we have. Okay, we have this now. As you can see, though it's not looking too good yet. So the next thing is to style the image in the card. Image, let's say border top right, radius 10 pixel, border top left radius 10 pixel, width 100%, height, let me set to 50 pixel. Okay, let's see now. Okay, there are no changes yet. Let's see. Oh, the reason why there's no change yet is because of I gave it image, so there should be a change now. Exactly. So we have this now. We are almost done. So the title should be color gray, and font size 18 pixel. So the final part is the button. So to do that, you just say button border none, and outline also 0, and now display should be inline block, padding 8 pixels, color white, background color, let's give it black. So let's see what we have. Okay, you can see it's already. So width 100% to fill up the whole space there. So let's see now. Yeah, that's that. And border bottom, let's just copy this and change it to bottom. So this and this, move this, change to bottom. So we have this now. So as you can see, everything is looking okay now. So final part is to style the icon. So let's say okay, the icons, let's just say I. can you put in I and just say font size 18 pixel. Let's see what we have. Okay, let me increase it a little bit to 20 pixel. Okay, much better. Color, okay, 25 pixels to make it look much okay, that's good now. So color, and let's say padding, let's give it 5 pixel. Okay, that's nice. And now let's give it an over effect. So when you over the icon, each icons, so you should have background color instead of black color. Let's say color should be chocolate. So you can see each of it is changing. And now for the button also, let's see over background color chocolate and color white. Okay, so when you do this, I don't think this matches well with it. Okay, let me give it the border of black, border bottom 1 pixel solid black. Let's see now. Okay, you can see. Okay, let me increase the thickness of the border by saying 2 pixel. Okay, that's much okay now. Now let's make this card much more alive, to make it a little bit nice than the way it is. So you just come to the card and give it a box shadow. So box shadow and say 0.4 pixel. One of these days, in one of my future videos, I might talk about how the box shadow is being used properly. So RGBA to give it a 0, 0, 0, and this alpha should be 0.3. So let's see what we have now. You can see now that's a subtle shadow at the back of the background. So essentially, basically, this is how to create a simple form with HTML and CSS. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, follow, anything, whether you are watching this video on YouTube or TikTok or whatever platform you are watching this from. Please endeavor to like, share and subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next episode. Bye.